proud of each and every one of you. So as you move forward into the next chapter of your lives, I want you to remind this word, shine. I would like to take this shine for you to remember. So shine, S stands for you have to seek God first in everything you do. You have faith in God that everything is possible. Okay? H for us, shine. H is have faith in yourselves also. You have to believe in yourselves that you can do anything with God. Hindi ba kayo? Parang hindi kayo nakikinig. So that is very important that you have to believe in yourselves that you can do anything. Yan. You have to claim that your ambitions will come true. So that is letter H, no? Have faith in yourselves. Next is the letter I, which means to inspire. And how could you inspire people? So by doing good, by being kind, by being kind to people, especially your parents, your teachers, no? So that is one way for you to inspire people, doing good. And of course, letter N. No? Tama ba ako? Letter N ay susunod? Okay. Never stop learning. Dapat tuloy-tuloy ang ating pag-aaral because the pursuit of knowledge and growth is a lifelong journey. And the more you know, the more you can contribute to the world around you. And then finally, letter E, that means that you have to excel. You have to give the best that you can in order for you to excel, in order for you to reach your dreams in life. So as you dance the night away and celebrate this momentous occasion, remember that you are all capable of greatness. Congratulations on reaching this milestone, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you very much.